Can't use the camera at the same time. Whatever. All right. So, what's good, guys? Kingsley Joshua Trey, Lord himself, come to you live. And here I got, basically gold right here. It's now gold. We're at all-time highs, right? As you can see here. From the start where the dinosaurs started. It's saying it can't go past that. But 1833 from 1833 to now 2020 going on 2024, we're at all-time highs on gold, the history of gold, guys. This is way back in the day before your ancestors and your mother, everybody was born. Yeah, your grandma, the times, bro. Like that's kind of that's kind of we've been up, and you've been investing in the gold. You up right now. That's basically what we're getting at. um, as you can see, these spikes up. Of course, it pulls back down, shoots up, pulls back down, shoots up. Since we got shot up, it'll pull back down a little bit in 2024, 2026 possibly, and then shoot up in 2030, basically. So I say this now: invest highly in gold. Invest highly in gold. Invest silver, and definitely Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a baby. You can't don't mess around with that shit. Um, but yeah, let's break it down to market structure and how I read the charts. I want to do a little update video for you guys because if you don't know by now how I read market structure, how I approach the charts, it's just exactly how I place my fibs. Just saying. But I'm going to teach you this with multiple time frame correlation. And this is how you can get the primary direction of the market. So I'm teaching you some golden shit right now. Please take notes. All right. So first off, I'm on the monthly chart. Always start on the monthly chart. And then I work my way down from the monthly to the weekly to the daily to the 4 hour to the hour. I don't go on any time frames lower than an hour unless for basically entry purposes. I use my MAs on the lower time frames to basically help me out to see if I should be really getting into this trade or not. All right. That's basically what I use the lower time frames for nowadays. But yeah, back in the day, I used to go crazy on the lower time frames. I only traded the lower time frames. I wouldn't even touch the monthly. But now, being experienced, been trading for 9 years, going on 10, you gotta touch that monthly and work your way down. You don't need no yearly ownership. That's like more information, but I don't need all that. So, just to give you a little terminology, what I use, uh, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, are basically what I like to call my four horsemen. All right, my four horsemen. Now, out of these four horsemen, I'll tell a little story. Out of these four horsemen, they're all tell they're all each of them are all have a direction, a different bias on where the market on gold should go, right? And this is with the market structure, right? The market structure is basically the structure itself of the market you see here. As you know, as you're shooting up, as you did a pullback, shot up. It did a nice little 50% pullback there, and then shot up. And that's like just using Fibonacci's and stuff like that. But I always say like this: market structure is Fibonacci. Fibonacci is market structure. That's why it comes hand in hand and it comes to the two. That's why I tell everybody, you should learn multiple time frame correlation, market structure, and Fibonacci. I don't even need the MAs. I don't need anything else. If I got those three things right there, I'm golden. I'm profitable forever. And I'll show you that shit. But I'm going to show you a little bit. If you want to get more information, I got a full course. Hit me up for that on my socials. IG, Facebook, go by Kingsley Joshua. All right. And on my Instagram is Kingsley Trey Lord underscore Kingsley at Kingsley underscore Trey Lord. Basic. Um, we have obviously this high, right? This is the highest point on the chart, as you can see. Don't you agree to that, right? From this whole chart, this peak, this week, this wick it left behind is the highest point. Will you agree to that, right? And I'll put something here, and I'll put that there, right? That line represents the high of the week. And if you want to get precise, I can put my cursor right there and get the exact number. The exact number is 2148.990. So I can really just do this. 990. And boom, it's right there, lined up perfectly well. Right? So that's our high on goal on the monthly. And I'm gonna make this line, let's say I'm gonna make this line pink, right? For monthly. Now, to get the low, the current low, right? Of this market structure that's currently happening right now, I need a two candle formation pullback, right? That's opposite of the, since we're in the up direction, I need two bearish candles that's next to each other. And I need to basically from this high point to the left, I'm looking for those candlesticks, right? And the first two candlesticks that I bump into that's bearish from this high is these two right here, right? Don't you agree that we from this high to the left, that we go to the left, we see a bullish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Two bearish candles together that we bump into first when we go back from the highest point to the left. All right. Now I got these two from the one that's closest to the left, right? The one that's on the left hand side. What to the right is the lowest point that the market made currently, right? So as to the right, the lowest point would be right here. Take my cursor, take another pink line, and I'll put it there. And then I can line it up to that low, 1810, 1810.465. So I go this. Boom. Done. And right there, ladies and gentlemen, you got the current market structure of gold on the monthly time frame. That's simple, right? Now, and it is currently, what is that? Bullish, right? This is the breaker structure point. So if the market decides it wants to do this, come down to here, break structure, right? It can do that. Come down and break structure, right? A lot of people would think, oh, yeah, we're still going up because we had this low, right? The significant low, that's what you will say. But really, we just broke structure. So, yeah, our chances of going down to this low is higher from this point, right? But that's only if we break structure. If you're in between this line and this line, it's not set in stone yet. We have nothing yet. Basically, between here and here, wherever it's between there is bullshit until we do a continuation from that high or we do a break of structure on that low. If we do it a high, but obviously they'll be looking to go higher. If we break low, we're looking to go lower. That's simple. So since we're in up structure here, our bias on the monthly time frame, our buying power, or the win, I like to call it, is up, right? So let's zoom back here and say up on the week right here, right? And I'll put M for month, right? Now go to the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, we zoom out all the way out. And until you can't zoom no more, you can't really go back, right? Now, don't you agree that this is the highest point again on the month, on the weekly, right? That's the highest point again, right? Now, from that high, what to the left? It's the last two candlesticks that is bearish, right? That you bump into first. So from this high, we have bullish, 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 bearish, bearish. Boom, two candlesticks that's together, that's bearish, that's against the the high point, right? Great. Now, what to the right is the lowest point that the market made, right? From this current market made. And the lowest point is on this bullish candle, probably this bearish candle right here. So right here is the area right here. And I'm gonna make another line basically here, and I'll make it purple, right? This shit purple. Boom. And then I'm gonna make this purple as well. All right, and that will represent uh the weekly time frame, right? That represents the weekly time frame. And since we're bullish, right? That's what it is. We're in bullish structure. Till we break here, then we break structure, right? But until then, if price is maintaining in here in this area, it's all bullshit, right? On the monthly, between here and here is bullshit. On the weekly, between here and here is bullshit. But outside here on the weekly, it's not bullshit. We're looking to go down. All right. So keep that in mind. But if you go up higher here, we're looking to go up on the monthly and up on the weekly, obviously. Right. So now for here, I can put up again, right? And put the week, right? Oh, W for week, right? So up for a month, up to the week. Now, with the four horsemen, these are the rules, right? I need at least three of them to agree with each other. If as long as three of them agreeing with each other, I'm looking to trade in that direction. But if they not agreeing with each other, obviously they're mismatching all around. I don't do nothing. But if I get at least three of them together, it will outrule the fourth horseman. Then we're looking to go in that direction. All right. So, boom. We got that on the monthly and we got that on the week. We go to the day. Now the day chart. That's what all time frame is. It's all fractals. As you agree, from the day chart, that's the highest point. Great. Agree. From that highest point, what to the left is the last two candles that's bearish that we run into first. So we have bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Bullish, 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 bearish, bullish, bearish, and then this. If you think this so, if you think it's a doji, all you have to do is place your cursor on it. Look at the open numbers, the open number up here, the closed number up there. Are they different? Yes. Obviously, that's a bearish candle. The color is bearish. Is yellow candle. This is why color codes on the candles will help you out. I don't do that all candles the same color. No, candles represent a different color because that's information, that's knowledge. We want that. I want all of that. So, boom. These two is the two candles that I bump into first. Now, what? What to the right is the last low that the market made, right? From here over here, right? Nothing over here. From here on over here. This is the lowest point from this left the candle closest to the left. This is the lowest point, and I'll do an orange line here for daily. No, I did it again. I did the wrong thing. Style, yeah. Gotta stop doing the numbers. Now I put another line there for boom. So that's up structure on the monthly, up structure on the weekly, and now up structure on the daily, right? So we can all agree that the candles, that we got at least three of the horsemen in the same direction, right? We agree to that. So the fourth one, where is the fourth one? The fourth one is the 4 hour chart, right? So on the 4 hour, this is the highest point. Last two candle that was left was right over here, right? And this was the lowest point from this point, not over here, because you gotta remember this stuff didn't happen, right? This we gotta remember this the highest point. Last two candle was right over here from that high, and this last two candle is what we want to be looking at information. This stuff already is happening right now, right? Not paying attention to that. What to the left, the right is the lowest point. It would have been over here. We clearly that means price broke this structure right here, and now we're looking down on the 4 hour chart, and we can put that pullback, came down, pullback, came down, and look what it's doing. It's doing that. It's coming down, right? And this is the current price. This is the lowest point. So from this low, if that's the lowest point on the 4 hour current structure right now, right? From the break of that high, this break of the structure to this structure that's currently happening now, what to the left is the last two candles that is bullish now. Remember, we're looking to go down. We're looking for two bullish candles that's together, right to the left. So we got bearish, 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 bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, bullish, right? From this bullish to the right, what to the right of it is the highest point over here. And there you, ladies and gentlemen, boom, and boom. And I'll make this thing blue. Running out of time. Blue. All right. And now we're down structure on the 4 hour. So mismatch on the, we got a horseman that's not in green, but we're looking for up movement. So I'm looking for this 4 hour to break structure first, and then look for positions to go up on gold. That's it.